Hi everybody, today I want to show you this magnetic stay cable. It's a little magnetic thing that you put in anywhere you want because it has an adhesive, and it has one that is like this and a smaller one that is like this. And once you put your cable in it, it will attach to it, and so you can have it on your desk or in the car. I'm going to show you both. And again, depending on whether you're using it on the car or on the desk, you can use the smaller one, and again, it just clips to it, whether you want it horizontal like this or vertical like that. And it's really cool because it comes with a cable. It's the reinforced cable itself, so you could have it anywhere for your phone or tablet or anything else that you need. Very conveniently placed, again, on your desk or on your car. Again, it charges really quickly, and it's the cable is what they call this the braided, so it's for extra strength. And again, I'm going to show you how I put it on my desk and on my car. So right there, I have it set up on my desk, and I can use right here. I'll stay like that. And they have the black one and they have white too, and they have other colors. But again, see, I have it all tangled up in here yet still, but see, very convenient. So I can have it there on my desk, and I just pull it anytime I want, and I have it kind of organized out of the way. I can find it every time. So it's very easy to set up it in the car as well. So all you have to do is put the sticker right wherever you want it, and then whether you use the black or white, it doesn't matter. And right there is the magnet, so you can hold it and keep it all organized in your car. You can take this blue strip that is just a protector, and then again, you just use it to keep your cables organized in your car.